Class 8 of Professional Ethics. Values. So, what are values? So, value means it expresses qualitative significance. Qualitative significance, what we assign to some ideas, feelings, or activities and experiences. Value is an essential attribute, means essential part of human consciousness. In our consciousness itself, there is value. So, values are quality, evaluative standards or quality of living space we create. How we evaluate, okay, evaluative standards, okay, on what standard we evaluate. There is standard. That standards are mm, set by some values. For example, say when you say a machine, even for machines also, you say what is efficiency, what is life of that machine, what is emission. For example, in your vehicle, you say what is emission, you do a emission test. So there the standards are representing or showing the values. Okay. So there are other definitions and meanings. You can write any points. Yeah. Okay. In general, value is said that good, promotes well-being, and prevents harm. Means value is something which always does good, does not do any harm. But in some cases, values is also said to be negative. Okay, because sometimes people behave opposite to values. So such opposite nature is called as opposite quality is called as negative values. A person with positive values does not get upset or lose courage or does not become unhappy when he is under loss or any bad times. Positive values are often referred as, say, patience, hope, faith, bliss, etc. Sources of values. It can be from outside or also from inside. Outside means parents, family, society, school, etc. Environment from you have brought up. It is the knowledge and experiences gained from outside. And inside means it is the knowledge, thinking, churning, etc. What one has developed within himself. It is the experience and knowledge developed by one's own intelligence and his consciousness and by thinking churning ನಿಮ್ಮಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ನೀವೇನು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ and by your choice, what choice you have got in your life. Suppose say you have born in a rich family, or suppose say you have born handicapped, like that. Or suppose say you have born with good people by choice itself. Sorry, good people is different. Other things are okay. By your choice means choice here means how you. Sorry, here choice means what choice you have you select by your own judgment, your own things. Okay, and by your own judgment. Okay, the choice here can be said as what you select and also what you get. That's also true. Means by birth itself you might have born in your good family. Others might have born in a bad family. So that is your luck or fate. And what you experience you have perceived by your sense organs. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ಮೇಂದ್ರಿಯಗಳಿಂದ ನೀವೇನೆಲ್ಲ ಅನುಭವವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವೀಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. Okay, like that. Next, types of values, but in your syllabus you have to write human values. We will see human values in next class.